In this video, we'll show you how Google AI Studio works. So, let's get started. Google AI Studio is Google's web-based platform that lets you interact directly with the latest Gemini AI models. Unlike a regular chatbot, AI Studio gives you much more control. You can test prompts, build AI workflows, generate text, analyze files, write code, summarize documents, and even experiment with multimodal AI that understands images, PDFs, and other content, all from one dashboard. Getting started is simple. Open Google AI Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an option to create a new prompt. This is where you can type anything you want the AI to help with, whether it's writing content, solving programming problems, generating ideas, or explaining difficult topics. One of the biggest advantages of Google AI Studio is the ability to choose different Gemini models. Some models are optimized for speed, while others are designed for more advanced reasoning and higher quality responses. If you need quick answers, choose a faster model. If you're working on research, coding, or detailed writing, select a more powerful model for better results. You can also upload files directly into your prompt. For example, upload a PDF and ask the AI to summarize it, extract important information, or answer questions based on the document. You can even upload images and ask the AI to describe them, identify objects, explain charts, or extract text, all from one dashboard. Another powerful feature is prompt editing. Instead of starting over every time, you can refine your prompts, compare different responses, and improve the output until you get exactly what you need. This makes AI Studio especially useful for content creators, developers, students, and business users. If you're a developer, AI Studio also makes it easy to test AI features before adding them to your own applications. Once you've created a prompt that works well, you can generate an API key and use that same AI capability inside your website, app, or software project. For better results, keep your prompts clear and specific. Instead of asking for something general, like write an article, explain exactly what you want, including the topic, tone, audience, and format. The more details you provide, the better the AI's response will be. Google AI Studio is also constantly improving with newer Gemini models and additional AI capabilities, making it one of the fastest ways to experience Google's latest artificial intelligence technology without building complex systems yourself. That's how Google AI Studio works and why learning it now can give you a head start before it becomes even more popular. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more Google AI tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.